Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Learning Secrets and our series on how to use AI to supercharge your learning. Today, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for excelling at school and beyond. First off, if you're new to ChatGPT, we'll run through a quick step-by-step guide on how to get started. First, open a web browser, type in chat.openai.com, and you'll be brought to the default ChatGPT screen. At this point, you can access ChatGPT for free. You can also choose to log in uh, with a Google account, and you can upgrade to a paid account for $20 a month. Currently, the ChatGPT default model is GPT-4, and you can get this for free. You are limited with a free account to, I think it's around 20 queries in an hour. So it's good to pay for a monthly account where you're able to have an unlimited number of queries with chat. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with my account. You can choose to continue with your Gmail account and log in. Here I'm taken to the default screen. So there's a paperclip here. This is the basic prompting window where we're going to enter our prompts to chat. This paperclip allows you to attach a file to a chat, and this will be background materials that chat will reference during your chat session. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with asking chat, give me a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT for the first time. And the response here, chat is giving you a response: sign up or log in, explore the chat interface, start asking questions, such as explain what ChatGPT is, give me study tips for any subject. It gives you a guide for helping you to refine your questions or your requests. And it also recommends personalizing your interaction. So chat maintains in its memory what has come before. So it will maintain in one session all of your responses in its memory, and it can refer back to them and its own responses to your questions and information that you feed to it. So you could say something like this: please refer to me going forward as Matthew. I'd like to learn more about how to personalize my chat session. So going forward, chat will respond back to me using my name, and it gives me a guideline for how to better personalize the session. So I can explain my background, my goals. I can tell chat, I'm a data analyst and a marketer. Could you help me brainstorm some ideas for using AI in marketing? So this is very helpful to help refine how chat responds to you, and to really hone in on what the purpose of your given chat session is. So it's really that simple. Prompting is, you can take this in many different directions. We're going to start with something kind of simple here. Explain what AI is in simple terms, suitable for a high school student. So what is AI? AI is a type of technology that allows machines to do things that usually require human intelligence. This means things like understanding language, recognizing images, solving problems, or making decisions. Just as you learn from experience, AI learns by looking at a lot of data, a lot of examples. if you show an AI a bunch of pictures of cats and dogs, it can learn to tell the difference between them. It's giving a computer the ability to think and learn, but it doesn't do it exactly like humans. It follows patterns and rules based on the data it's been given. So that's interesting. So this is very easy to learn and to use. Um, I'm curious about how is it that ChatGPT can help you as a student? Let's let's ask. So I'm going to ask Chat. List 5 ways that AI can help students improve their learning and studying. So Chat is giving me ideas here: personalized study plans, practice tests and quizzes, language learning assistance, time management and study reminders. If I wanted to explore any of these more in depth, I could ask, please help me develop a study plan for learning math this semester. So Chat will give me a step-by-step plan in this case. Assess my goals, break down the course syllabus, create a weekly schedule, and it'll give me an outline of how to actually do this. Create a weekly schedule for studying, for completing my assignments. All of this. So this table here is a final study plan example. You're able at the bottom of any given response to copy the response from Chat, and you can copy this into a text document. In future videos, I'll also show how Chat can export chat responses into files of any format. So it could be an Excel file like a table, it could be a Word document, it could be an image file. There isn't yet video files as a capability, but I think that's coming in the near future. So all of this is really awesome. A few tips to really get the most out of ChatGPT: be very specific. Hone in at try to, after a prompt, once it gives you a response, hone in on the parts that you are more interested in and continue to ask follow-up questions to really deepen your understanding of the response and how you should act, for any given subject or, for any of its recommendations. Experiment with it. Really try to go deep on any subject that you're interested in. Use Chat as a starting point. Really, in some cases, it will provide responses to you that aren't correct, and this is somewhat disconcerting in some cases. But it's over time learning to get better and better at providing factual information. In some cases, with large data sets, as an example, it might not see all of the data in a file correctly, or give you calculated results exactly correctly. So always double check the results of Chat against other sources. Remember, Chat isn't here to do all the work for you. It's here to make learning easier and more engaging. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into how you can use Chat GPT for specific subjects and study techniques. If you have questions, please leave them in the video comments. I've linked a PDF file in the description with all the prompts I've used in the video, as well as some bonus prompts so you can test them for yourselves and build on them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.